The other question is, well, the tricky part was, is it proper or common?
Yeah.
Okay. Now here's the hard thing. This is something that you need to kind of get used to. I said over and over again something that we didn't really think about more, and we're going to force ourselves to think about it more now.
Okay.
Words are normally supposed to be heavy, and you have to have a really good reason to make them light. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's think about that differently now. If I see Muslimu, you're my Arabic students. I show you the word Muslimu. Are you able to tell me that it's light or heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's light.
It's light. The moment you see an ism that's light in Arabic, you have to say something's wrong.
Yeah.
What happened to you? Who did this to you? You know, how did you lose so much weight? What happened to your noon?
Yeah.
You used to be so nice and fat, and now you're like light. What? And you say, there's only one of 4 bullies that did this to you.
Yeah.
4 reasons could have made you this, right? Now the thing is, the status, the number, and the gender. How many properties are there? 4.
4, yeah.
Status, number, gender, and
Type.
okay. But the status, the number, and the gender, you can tell for Muslimu whether it's light or heavy.
Okay.
3 properties, still clear.
Yeah.
But the 4th property will not be clear until you figure out why it became light. Proper or common will not become clear until you discover why is Muslimu light. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, 4 reasons for a word to be light. Let's talk about that. One reason is Muslimu, let's say Makkah. The Muslim of Makkah.
Yeah.
The Muslim of
Makkah.
Makkah, right? This is a mudaf and a
Mudaf
mudaf ilayh. When the mudaf ilayh is proper, then the mudaf becomes
Proper.
that time Muslimu is proper. But if I made it Muslimu Madinatin, or let's say Muslimu Qaryatin, the Muslim of a village. Qarya, a village.
Yeah.
Okay? Muslimu Qaryatin. This is still a mudaf and a mudaf ilayh.
Yeah.
But this time Qaryatin is common. You see that?
Yeah.
If it was proper, it would have been
Qariyati.
How do-
Al-Qaryati.
excellent. Al-Qaryati.
Al-Qaryati.
Maryam is absolutely right. Good job, Maryam. Solid. Al-Qaryati, the village. Qaryatin is common. Because it's common, Muslim will also be considered
Common.
common. But if I don't tell you whether the word coming after is Al-Qaryati
Yeah.
or Qaryatin,
Yeah.
you're not going to know if Muslimu was supposed to be proper or common.
Yeah.
So when a word is light, when an ism is light, I can tell status, I can tell number, I can tell gender. I can tell status is still Rafa.
Yeah.
I can tell it's still one Muslim. I can still tell gender is masculine.
Yeah.
I can tell status, number, gender. But I'm no longer able to tell type.
Type. Yeah.
The same thing happens with a word like nisa'u. I said, okay, some people said, Ustad, why didn't you say nisa is common? Notice nisa is light. You see that?
Yeah.
When it's light, I can tell status, I can tell number, I can tell gender, but I need more information before I can tell type.
Type. Yeah.
Okay? Because I don't know enough
Yeah.
to be able to say. Okay, is that clear?
Yeah.
So that was one of the kinds of complications. When words become light, the proper common is not an easy answer. So it could be proper, it could be common. We don't know enough. I hope you guys enjoyed that video clip. My team and I have been working tirelessly to try to create as many resources for Muslims to give them first steps in understanding the Qur'an all the way to the point where they can have a deep, profound understanding of the Qur'an. We are students of the Qur'an ourselves, and we want you to be students of the Qur'an alongside us. Join us for this journey on bayinatv.com, where thousands of hours of work have already been put in. And don't be intimidated, it's step by step by step, so you can make learning the Qur'an a part of your lifestyle. There's lots of stuff available on YouTube, but it's all over the place. If you want an organized approach to studying the Qur'an beginning to end for yourself, your kids, your family, and even among peers, that would be the way to go. Sign up for bayinatv.com.